Today, we're diving into the WKWZY USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, promising to elevate your audio experience to new heights. Packed with a 32-bit DAC amplifier, this little dongle means business, especially for high-impedance headphones. The standout feature here is the ALC5686 Realtek high-definition audio codecs, delivering an impressive signal-to-noise ratio of up to 112 dB. What does that mean for you? Exceptional clarity and a premium sound enhancer for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, S22, Pixel 6 XL, Switch, Chrome OS, and even Windows 7 devices. But it's not just about numbers. With a higher sampling rate of 384 kHz 32-bit, this adapter excels in restoring the original virtual signal, resulting in an unparalleled listening experience. The high-res good sound quality truly shines, faithfully reproducing studio-like audio for your enjoyment. The TRRS 3.5 to USB-C upgrade brings the record sample rate to 48 kHz 16-bit, offering a lossless audio output of up to 35 mW at 32 ohms. This means dynamic adaptive adjustment and an easy plug-and-play experience for your favorite hi-fi headphones or stereo earbuds, making it perfect for on-the-go audiophiles. Crafted with premium materials, this compact and minimalist design weighs only 0.14 ounces, making it easy to carry. The slight extension of 0.5mm ensures compatibility with your mobile phone, even if it's in a protective case. In terms of compatibility, this dongle doesn't disappoint. It works seamlessly with a wide range of USB-C Android devices, Switch game consoles, and Windows 7 10 laptops, including Chromebooks. Whether you're a music enthusiast, gamer, or just someone who appreciates top-notch audio quality, the WKWZY USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter is a game-changer. Unlock the full potential of your devices and immerse yourself in the world of premium sound. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.